This week on Maker's Lab, COVID awareness carries on.
COVID awareness is going to be with us for quite a long time, which means more work for our industry, and there are many ways for us to get involved. Today I'm going to be making a COVID readiness sign for a customer that wanted it onto glass as well as an ABS board. For the design, I had to make sure that it's stipulated that no mask, no entry, social distancing, making sure that people have to have their temperature read, and as well as hand sanitizing. The vinyl I'm going to be using today is basically just a white back vinyl. I don't need to block out anything, so I need to use any grey back adhesive. It's going to go onto the glass pretty easily and as well as onto the ABS quite easy. Especially if you use the wet application method, it goes on without causing any bubbles and you can align it before you apply it. For the ABS, we're going to clean the ABS board, apply some soapy water and then do a wet application. You can use so many different types of materials for COVID awareness media, such as pull-up banners, vinyl prints and ABS boards. And actually you could even use a desktop printer. If your design fits on an A4 piece of paper, you can use the A4 vinyl from AM.CO today, which gives you a wide range of options.
At AM.CO.za, we stock a wide variety of printing paper types for two major types of printing: label printing and sublimation printing. For label printing, we offer matte and gloss finishes. The matte paper comes in white and brown and can be printed on inkjet or laser printer because the ink can easily penetrate the paper. However, glossy paper, which comes in white, super white, gold, silver and transparent, must be printed on a laser type printer as the ink must bake on the surface. For more information, you are welcome to call sales on 060 600 6000. In South Africa, COVID awareness regulations are mandatory in all shops and businesses, and that translates to a huge amount of potential clients.
For the application onto the window, we're going to clean the glass first, then we're going to apply some soapy water and then apply it to the window, pretty much that. So we achieved what the customer is looking for today, and there are going to be plenty more customers out there looking for COVID readiness signage. Keep your eyes peeled because there's plenty of business out there.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business heading toward infinity and beyond. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.